What up, weebs? Welcome back, new video today. Today we'll be just doing a day in the life with me. It's about 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up. I'm gonna go get some breakfast because I don't feel like making food. But yeah, so we're gonna go get some breakfast. Let's go. And then later, I'm gonna go to the gym today in a little bit as well, and then to go some bike riding and cycling. I'll bring you all along with me. I'm currently riding my bike down the neighborhood to Wendys right now. It's close to my house, so I'm gonna go to Wendys, get some food. But it's a beautiful day out today. Beautiful night in the neighborhood. So yeah, let's go. Oh, we have made it to my local Wendys. I'm gonna get some breakfast. There's the menu. I usually get myself a croissant chicken sandwich and the cinnamon twist. Well, boys, I just got back from Wendys. This is my breakfast. I got the cinnamon pull apart, iced frosty-chino, a large one, and a maple chicken croissant, man. I've been pretty good with staying away from the fast food lately. Haven't had Wendy's in a long time or any fast food in general. And I decided to spoil myself today for breakfast. But yeah, let's eat it. It's going to be good. I'm going to play some games for a little bit. And afterwards, I'm going to go to the gym and then go cycling as well. Well, boys, I'm heading to the gym now. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now. Go to the gym for a couple hours and we'll do cycling. I'll take you guys along with me and go through my workout of what I do a few times a week. I usually go to the gym and cycle 3 to 4 times a week. I've been exercising now, trying to get into shape. So yeah, I lost maybe, so far I've lost 10 pounds, so keep it going. Well, guys, I made it to my local gym. We're at my local Planet Fitness. Gonna get some exercise going. I'll show you guys my workout routines as I go through them. So yeah, let's go. And then we'll take a shower later. Since I cycled here, I'm not gonna be doing the treadmill. But I'll show you the weightlifting routines I do. First, I start off with the bicep machine and do some weightlifting and stuff. I do about 70 pounds, 30 sets, 40 sets. So this is the machine I do next. It's the machine for the chest and the arms. And I usually do about 85 on this. I can do that much, 70, 85. I do 30 times, 10 sets of each. So yeah. This is the chest press. This one is for the chest as well as the upper right by the shoulders. I do same amount here, about 30 times, sometimes 40, depending on how I feel during the day. But yeah, I usually do about maybe like, I could do 30 on here, 35. I'm not the strongest part in those arms. This is the machine I do next. After that, this is the low row. Basically works your back muscles. You just pull it, put your legs there, you sit there and you pull with your arms just to keep your back straight. This is what I do last, is the bench press. I can do about 20 on each side, 25. That's 40 total, plus the 10 pound bar. But yeah, this is my last thing I usually do for a workout. Well, I'm done at the gym for the day. I'm gonna go make some dinner. I'll show you guys. I will be making some dinner for you guys. I'm making some chicken tacos when I get home. But yeah, I'm done with the gym for the day. I'm ready to cycle home right now. My bike. Took a shower here. I know some people probably think it's gross to take a shower at the gym. I don't mind it. They clean the shower, so it's all good. I don't really care. I mean, some people think it's gross, but it's whatever. But yeah, let's go and make some tacos. Well, boys, I'm cooking up some tacos, some chicken tacos. Gotta put some cheese on it afterwards. Make some tortilla shells. Gonna cook that all goodness. Got myself some taco seasoning with some garlic and herb seasoning with jalapeno and garlic seasoning. It's gonna be good, boys. Grilling the tortilla shells right now, and my tacos will be done. Then I'll put some cheese on it, and it's all good. Yum, yum, yum. Well, boys, there's the final product. Let me know what you guys think down in the description. Got chicken, taco, cheese, chicken corn tortilla cheese on the bottom melted, and guacamole with jalapeno and garlic seasoning and garlic and herb seasoning on top of the tacos. Top it off, I got a protein shake from Quest. I'll drink these every time I get done working out. They help repair muscle and build more muscle. Plus all this protein here. A lot of food, but it's gonna fill me up. It's gonna be good. But yeah, and yeah. So let's go. Well, it's gonna be the end of the vlog today. I'm at home right now. I'm gonna be doing nothing but chilling for the rest of the night. So I'm just gonna end the day in the life here. By the way, just letting you know, birthday vlog will be out Sunday night or Monday to Sunday this Sunday or Monday next Monday. And then the vlog for the giveaway and the subscriber special, that's gonna be out not this Monday, probably next Saturday sometime. So we're gonna do this vlog today. Then Sunday we got a birthday vlog. The birthday vlog will be coming out, and the next week will be the cosplay vlog where I act as a detective for Elle, and basically that's what we're gonna do. And the subscriber special and the giveaway. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you on the next one. I'm gonna end the day in life here because I'm just gonna be sitting at home for the rest of the night. I just got done doing all my stuff. So yeah, see you on the next one. Peace out, my fellow Weebs. Bye.